Welcome to our channel. Before we begin, please remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment on our videos. 5 essential oils that will change your life. How aromatherapy can improve your life and health. Aromatherapy, the practice of using essential oils for therapeutic benefit, has been employed for thousands of years across various cultures. Essential oils are concentrated plant extracts that retain the natural smell and flavor of their source. Today, aromatherapy is a popular alternative medicine that is utilized to enhance psychological and physical well-being. This video will delve into 5 essential oils that can transform your life, exploring their unique properties, benefits, and practical applications. Discover how these natural wonders can improve your health and overall quality of life. 1. Lavender Essential Oil. Origins and composition. Lavender, Lavandula angustifolia, is one of the most versatile and widely used essential oils. Derived from the lavender plant through steam distillation, this oil contains linalool and linaloyl acetate, which are responsible for its calming and soothing properties. Benefits. Stress relief. Lavender oil is renowned for its ability to reduce stress and anxiety. Inhaling its aroma has been shown to lower cortisol levels in the body, helping to manage stress effectively. Sleep aid. The calming effects of lavender make it an excellent natural remedy for insomnia. Studies have shown that it can improve sleep quality and duration. Pain relief. Lavender oil can help alleviate pain from headaches, migraines, and sore muscles due to its anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. Skin health. This oil is beneficial for various skin issues, including acne, eczema, and minor wounds. Its antimicrobial properties help in healing and preventing infections. Usage tips. Diffusion. Add a few drops to an essential oil diffuser to create a calming environment. Topical application. Mix with a carrier oil, such as coconut or jojoba oil, and apply to the skin for pain relief or skin care. Bath. Add a few drops to your bath water to relax and unwind. 2. Peppermint Essential Oil. Origins and composition. Peppermint, Mentha piperita. Essential oil is extracted from the leaves of the peppermint plant. It contains menthol and menthone, which contribute to its invigorating and refreshing properties. Benefits. Improved digestion. Peppermint oil is known for its ability to alleviate digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and indigestion. It helps to relax the muscles of the gastrointestinal tract. Enhanced mental clarity. The stimulating aroma of peppermint oil can improve focus, concentration, and mental clarity, making it an excellent aid for studying or work. Pain relief. Peppermint oil has analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties that make it effective for relieving headaches, muscle pain, and joint pain. Respiratory health. It can help clear respiratory congestion and improve breathing, making it useful for colds, sinusitis, and allergies. Usage tips. Inhalation. Inhale directly from the bottle or add a few drops to a handkerchief for quick relief from headaches or mental fatigue. Topical application. Dilute with a carrier oil and apply to the temples or neck for headache relief, or to the chest for respiratory benefits. Internal use. Add a drop to a glass of water to aid digestion. Ensure the oil is food grade and safe for internal use. 3. Tea tree essential oil. Origins and composition. Tea tree oil, Melaleuca alternifolia, is extracted from the leaves of the tea tree. It is rich in terpene phorol, which gives it potent antimicrobial and antiseptic properties. Benefits. Antimicrobial action. Tea tree oil is highly effective against bacteria, viruses, and fungi, making it a popular choice for treating infections and disinfecting surfaces. Acne treatment. Due to its antibacterial properties, tea tree oil is a common ingredient in acne treatments. It helps to reduce inflammation and clear up skin blemishes. Scalp health. This oil can help alleviate dandruff and promote a healthy scalp by reducing yeast and fungal infections. Wound healing. Its antiseptic properties make it useful for treating minor cuts, burns, and insect bites. Usage tips. Topical application. Apply directly to acne spots with a cotton swab or mix with a carrier oil for broader skin application. Hair care. Add a few drops to your shampoo to help with dandruff and scalp health. Household cleaner. Mix with water and vinegar to create a natural disinfectant spray. 4. Eucalyptus essential oil. Origins and composition. Eucalyptus oil, Eucalyptus globulus, is extracted from the leaves of the eucalyptus tree. It contains eucalyptol, also known as cineol, which imparts its distinctive menthol-like aroma and therapeutic properties. Benefits. Respiratory health. Eucalyptus oil is renowned for its ability to relieve respiratory issues such as asthma, bronchitis, and sinusitis. It helps to clear mucus and reduce inflammation in the airways. Antiseptic properties. This oil can be used to treat wounds, cuts, and insect bites due to its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory effects. Pain relief. Eucalyptus oil can help alleviate muscle and joint pain when applied topically, thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. Mental clarity. The invigorating aroma of eucalyptus oil can help improve concentration and mental clarity. Usage tips. Inhalation. Add a few drops to a bowl of hot water and inhale the steam to clear nasal congestion and soothe respiratory issues. Topical application. Dilute with a carrier oil and massage into sore muscles or joints. Aromatherapy. Use in a diffuser to create an invigorating and refreshing environment. 5. Lemon essential oil. Origins and composition. Lemon oil, citrus limonene, is extracted from the peel of fresh lemons through cold pressing. It contains limonene, which gives it a fresh, uplifting scent and numerous health benefits. Benefits. Mood enhancer. The bright, citrusy aroma of lemon oil can help to lift your mood, reduce anxiety, and promote a sense of well-being. Immune support. Lemon oil has antioxidant properties that can boost the immune system and help fight off infections. Skin care. It can help improve skin tone, reduce the appearance of blemishes, and treat oily skin. Detoxification. Lemon oil can aid in detoxifying the body and promoting healthy digestion. Usage tips. Diffusion. Add a few drops to a diffuser to freshen the air and uplift your mood. Topical application. Mix with a carrier oil and apply to the skin for its brightening and clarifying effects. Avoid sun exposure after application as it can increase photosensitivity. Household cleaner. Combine with water and vinegar to create a natural, non-toxic cleaner. Integrating essential oils into your life. Aromatherapy with essential oils can be easily integrated into your daily routine. Here are some tips to help you get started. Create a daily routine. Establish a daily routine that incorporates essential oils to enhance your overall well-being. For instance, you can start your day with an invigorating peppermint oil inhalation and end it with a relaxing lavender oil bath. Use essential oil diffusers. Diffusers are a great way to disperse essential oils into the air, allowing you to enjoy their benefits throughout the day. Choose a diffuser that fits your space and needs. DIY blends. Experiment with creating your own essential oil blends tailored to your specific needs. For example, a blend of lavender and eucalyptus oil can be soothing and refreshing. Mindful application. Always dilute essential oils with a carrier oil before applying them to the skin to prevent irritation. Perform a patch test before using any new essential oil. Aromatherapy on the go. Carry a small bottle of your favorite essential oil blend with you for quick aromatherapy relief when you're away from home. Safety considerations. While essential oils offer numerous benefits, it is important to use them safely. Dilution. Always dilute essential oils with a carrier oil, such as coconut, jojoba, or almond oil, before applying them to the skin. A general guideline is to use a 2-3% dilution for most applications. 12-18 drops of essential oil per ounce of carrier oil. Patch test. Before using a new essential oil topically, perform a patch test to check for any adverse reactions. Apply a small amount of diluted oil to a patch of skin and wait 24 hours to see if any irritation occurs. Internal use. Not all essential oils are safe for internal use. Only consume essential oils that are specifically labeled as food grade and consult with a healthcare professional before doing so. Photosensitivity. Some essential oils, particularly citrus oils like lemon and orange, can increase your skin's sensitivity to sunlight. Avoid sun exposure after applying these oils to your skin. Pregnancy and medical conditions. If you are pregnant, nursing, or have any medical conditions, consult with a healthcare provider before using essential oils. Conclusion. Aromatherapy with essential oils is a powerful tool for enhancing your health and well-being. The 5 essential oils highlighted in this video, lavender, peppermint, tea tree, eucalyptus, and lemon, offer a wide range of benefits that can improve your life in various ways. From reducing stress and improving sleep to boosting immune function and promoting skin health, these natural remedies can make a significant difference in your daily routine. By incorporating essential oils into your life thoughtfully and safely, you can harness the healing power of nature and enjoy a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. Whether you are new to aromatherapy or looking to expand your knowledge, the potential of essential oils to transform your life is truly remarkable. Embrace the journey of exploration and discover the many ways these aromatic treasures can enhance your health and happiness. If you enjoyed our video, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, check out our other videos for more health and wellness tips and tricks to being the best version of you.